to begin? Moonlit memory drifting behind, steps toward a world she's yet to find. With every breath on the shifting shore, she learns her heart can open more. Rising from the deep where the tides once pulled her in, finding her voice in a place she's never been. A gentle awakening in the changing light, learning who she is as she reaches for the night. Rising from the deep with a spirit warm and true, ready for a life the waves once hid from view. Feels the sand beneath her feet at last, letting go of echoes from the past. A quiet courage glowing in her chest, a longing to speak she once suppressed. The ocean hums with a distant call, but she stands steady, refusing to fall. With hopes that shimmer like stars above, she steps forward into a world of love. Rising from the deep where the tides once pulled her in, finding her voice in a place she's never been. A gentle awakening in the changing light, learning who she is as she reaches for the night. Rising from the deep with a spirit warm and true, ready for a life the waves once hid from view. On the quiet shore, she begins anew.